Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to jump right in. I already did one of my eyebrows for reference. You can see the difference. The first product I will be using is the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. I like to place the bottom of my palm on my chin for a steady hand. Start outlining the bottom of your brows using light feather strokes. Take your time. Then start outlining the top of your brows, but skip the front area. This will help make your brows more natural looking. Once both sides are outlined, start filling in the tail portion of your brow, but make sure to not fill in the front area. Now with the spoolie, start feathering out the front of the brow and really try to diffuse that line we made at the bottom. Now for the best part is we're gonna start concealing. I'm using LA Girl and a flat concealer brush. Take your time, concealing is really what makes your eyebrows pop out the most. Now that I have my concealer on, I'm going to be taking this blending brush and blending out all of this concealer into my skin. Now that that's done, I'm going to be taking the spoolie again and really going through my brows to put them in place. I really focus on brushing out the front of the brows to give it that beautiful feathered look. And there we go, a super easy, beautiful eyebrow look that you can do in just a few minutes. I love the way they came out so much, in case you couldn't tell. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.